to show you the 2015 GS. Looking to create the ultimate sports sedan in both price and performance? Lexus came up with a truly exceptional car. This is one model that can hang with the best Europe has to offer and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.